Cool, exciting. The next step is going to be building our first chatbot. Now, you'll notice there's been some changes in the account from the last episode. That's because I've just deleted every single prompt within my account to demonstrate what will happen if you try and build a chatbot without a prompt. Now, depending on where you are currently within using ChatIQ, you will either already have a prompt or you won't. So if you have uploaded or created an account like within the last couple of days, which is like anything before the 23rd of October, you won't have a prompt if you've not already used it. Anything after the 23rd of October, you will have a prompt in your account. So what will happen is, if you've also, to be fair, very useful to note, if you end up deleting a prompt from your accounts, the chatbot will no longer have a prompt, which means it will just do very weird things with responses. So it will have an alert here saying empty prompt. So you want to go in and update that. So if I try and build a chatbot now, you'll notice that I have no prompts. You can't build a chatbot yet. You have no prompts in your library. Let's explore the prompt library first. Here, I'm going to be able to view public prompts, search for niche-specific prompts, duplicate prompts, create personal prompts, and sub-prompts. So we're going to click on this button here, and it's going to take us to the prompt library. You'll notice, I'm just going to do that. You'll notice down here on the left we have the public prompts, and on the right we have our private library. We at the moment aren't going to spend a lot of time in this section. I will be having a video that goes into a lot more detail about the prompt library. So if this is daunting to you right now, don't worry about it. It's fine. We can always delete or change our prompts at a later date. So the prompt that you use doesn't necessarily matter too much to start off with, because you can always adjust it. So we're going to build a customer service chatbot. Now, most people are using customer service chatbots in their builds, which is why it's got quite a large upvote. So this upvote number is the number of people who've manually gone in and said, yeah, I like this prompt. So more people are using customer service and specialist educator, and there's a few other ones that other people are using. So if we can go to categories here, we can also go for like human resources or self-improvement or financial planning, but we're just going to go for customer service, and we're going to use this one. We're going to save this prompt here, and what it's going to do is duplicate it basically, and we now have our own private version of this prompt that we can upload, update, and edit as we please. Now, I'm not going to do anything with that now. I will go through that in more detail in the prompting tutorial. But now, if we come back to our chatbot, skipped ahead one. If we come back to the data feed and we select these again to build our chatbot, create chatbot is now opening the build the chatbot section. So I'm going to go through the build the chatbot again in a second in the next video. But that is how you actually get your chatbots set up with a custom prompt to make sure that you can actually build. That is how you create your first prompt, so you can actually now build a chatbot.